Thank
by
you.
Kitten.
Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel, and if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's talk about some of these contact lens companies. Now I just want to give you guys a heads up that if you plan on purchasing anything, I mean anything online, but especially contact lenses, because I know you guys watch a lot of my reviews and you will then go to the websites and then purchase lenses. I just want to let you guys know, just be careful if you are purchasing anything online from any kind of contact lens companies. There's a lot of them out there now, since contact lenses, colored contact lenses in particular, are basically a very profitable niche. So a lot of companies are popping up, and I just don't want you guys to be taken advantage of or not receive any kind of lenses that you order, or give your information online and then have it compromised. So I just want to give you guys some tips. So the first tip I would say is just make sure of how long the company has been in business, or online if you will. Usually if you scroll all the way down to the end of a page, and you can see how long it will say, how long or when the company started. You'll see it may say like 2017, 2016, 2015, and then you see the website looks like a very safe and secure website. Another thing, or another tip that I want you guys to make sure you pay attention to, is the kinds of accessories or contact lenses that the company offers. I know a lot of companies use a lot of stock images or photos or pictures from other contact lens companies, so I just want you guys to be mindful of that. Sometimes the pictures that you are seeing online may not exactly be the way that the contacts will look when you get them. So just be mindful of that as well when you are purchasing contacts, or when you are looking at different contact lens websites. And I'm definitely going to be mindful of that as well, because I like to, tell you guys about cool companies or companies that reach out to me and offer to send me lenses in exchange for a review. I just want to be careful of that as well, and let you guys know to be careful of that as well. So I'm definitely going to be doing my due diligence more and checking out different companies. I know that I thought to make this video because recently I was, corresponding back and forth with a company via email. They reached out to me. They wanted to send me some lenses. And when I went to reply back to them that, I wanted to make sure that the lenses were sent out to me. Usually I like to let the company know once I've received the lenses. I went to reply to them, and basically a return to sender or unable to deliver your email message bounced back, and I was like, what? So it's like, I got these lenses, but there's no way for me to contact you and let you know that I got them. So I don't think that's good on the company's part. I'm not sure what that is, and I just want you guys to be careful, and that's what made me want to make this video. So just be very, very careful, especially if you're inputting your credit card and debit card information online to companies. Just make sure that you do your due diligence and make sure that the company is a reputable website. I'm definitely going to do my due diligence before talking about promoting anything on my YouTube channel or my Instagram. I'm going to do more background because I already check different companies and check out their website and all of that jazz. But I'm definitely going to do more of a diligent background before promoting it to you guys and making sure that it's a good company to work with. So I just want to give you guys a heads up and make this video because I have a lot more reviews coming up, and some of these companies are very small, so they're new and they haven't really been around too long. So I'm definitely doing my due diligence and checking and making sure that the company is good and that, you know, you guys have a good experience when you order lenses. Also, if you order lenses, I just want to let you guys know, like, they're going to look different. They're going to look different on my eyes, look different on your eyes. So just also keep that in mind when you are purchasing lenses, to always look at the diameter of the lens or look at the information. I try and put it in my description box, and I also usually try and draw it up on the screen like this here, just so you guys are making an informed decision before you're purchasing the lenses. And of course, keep in mind that the color is going to look different because my eyes are different from your eyes are different from everyone else's eyes, so just keep that in mind. Okay, that is it. I just wanted to give you guys this heads up. I have a few more reviews coming your way, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with all the beauty community news, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle. Hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I will see you all very shortly in my next video, which will be another contact lens review. Bye!